Welcome, valued guests, to our 2021 Creative and Performing Arts series. My name is Mr. Joshua Sawtell and I am the CAPA Director at Powell Buddhist School, and I'd like to kick off our very first episode with a message of appreciation. Thank you for joining us in celebrating the extraordinary feats that our young artists are capable of. Never before has such resilience and creativity been in dire need. I'm proud to have been on this journey with our students, teachers, and staff, especially in such a tumultuous year that has been 2021. So without further ado, sit back, relax, and enjoy the season of wonder.
Hi, my name is Cecilia.
And my name is Anael.
We are performers in the Powell Buddhist School Stage Band, and we would like to welcome you to the first episode of this year's Online Creative and Performing Arts Series, the Season of Wonder.
Much like our first season of the 2020 CAPA Series, when we were just coming out of lockdown, the year 2021 poses another set of unique threats to the performing arts. Once again, we were faced with a choice: cancel our biggest performing opportunity of the year, or innovate and push through the challenges that had conquered so many others before.
Of course, we push through the notion that these experiences during difficult times can help define who we are as creatives and the extent to which we can go to explore our passion. We couldn't simply just find a pathway forward, but we had to create one, because #COVID can't stop the arts.
In our first episode, we were actually lucky enough to record most of our material prior to the New South Wales lockdown. Originally designed to be part of a live stage performance, we had to foresee the impending challenges and act accordingly.
Until We Go Down by Ruel is a piece that invokes power. We feel that this is a fitting symbol for the challenges we have overcome this year. Nothing can hold our passion, and we will keep on exploring the arts no matter what challenges present themselves.
There's fire in all of us, but sometimes we have to tell ourselves to see it in order to truly know what it is capable of.
It is our time to wake up and discover our true potential. A fire that we kindle now and continue to feed so that we can grow in its light.
This is Until We Go Down by Ruel, performed by Powell Buddhist School's very own stage band.
And I feel it running through my veins, and I need that fire just to know that I'm awake. Erased, I miss till the break of day, and I need that fire just to know that I'm awake. Ooh. Until we go down. 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 And I feel it running through my veins. And I need that fire just to know that I'm awake. Until we go down. Until we go down.
Hi, Ariel here. I'd like to invite you to our next episode where you can see what my fellow Snowline peers and myself have put together for this year's performing arts competition, The Right Action. We are super excited to share our winning project with you, so save the date on the screen and come join us. Don't forget your popcorn. Bye!